Now to federal charges for 4 officers involved in the case of Breonna Taylor, the young black woman shot and killed during a raid on her apartment. Officials say 3 of the officers lied to get the search warrant. Faith Aboobi has the story.
This morning, these 4 current and former Louisville Metro police officers facing newly filed federal charges in the death of 26-year-old Breonna Taylor. The Justice Department alleging that former detectives Joshua James, Kelly Goodlett, and Sergeant Kyle Meany falsified an affidavit used to obtain a search warrant that led to the botched drug raid of Taylor's home, violating her civil rights.
Those violations resulted in Ms. Taylor's death. Among other things, the affidavit falsely claimed that officers had verified that the target of the alleged drug trafficking operation had received packages at Ms. Taylor's address. In fact, defendants James and Goodlett knew that was not true.
After officers shot and killed Taylor, James and Goodlett, according to court documents, met in a garage and agreed on a false story to tell investigators about what happened.
Breonna Taylor should be alive today.
Say her name.
Breonna Taylor!
Breonna's mother saying Thursday that she's waited 874 days to hear that officers involved in her daughter's death will be held accountable.
Today's overdue, but it still hurts.
And so far, we've only heard from the former attorney of Hankerson. He says that the former officer intends to vigorously defend himself against these charges. We also learned that 2 of the officers were in the process of being fired, and those charged with civil rights violations could face up to life in prison. Michael?
All right, thank you, Faith.